Hyper-vigilance. It's a state of heightened alertness and constant scanning of the environment. And it can be a significant consequence of narcissistic trauma. In this episode today, we aim to shed light on the concept of hypervigilance, explore its origins, outline typical behavioral signs, and delve into its connection with narcissistic trauma. Hi, I'm Lynn. Welcome back to our channel. May this be helpful as we dive into this topic. And if you like our videos, we ask you to subscribe, hit the bell, drop a comment, and let's move forward in the healing journey. By understanding this complex relationship